welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can join the designer family, and make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you are notified every single time I do an upload. You don't want to be late, trust me. So today I'm going to be using one of these. Have you guys used these before? Comment down below and let me know. I have never used one. Even from the beginning, I wanted to know how to do it professionally, and there's nothing wrong with them, but I figured I would give it a try because I get in the comments a lot of times people asking me, have you ever used a balloon strip? Have you ever used a balloon strip? I have not, but this is pretty much what the balloon strip is. It's a plastic strip with holes for you to place balloons in. I've seen people use them. Some of them look good, and then some of them just no. So I figured I would give this a try, see if I can add my designer touch to this to get this from looking like a beginner balloon garland to a designer balloon garland. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna try to do like a ombre effect. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So I'm gonna start with the darkest one, which is this rose gold kind of color. And there are holes in the strip if you're not familiar. Oh, it's hard for you guys to see, but there are holes in the strip, and you're just basically going to be inserting the balloons into the holes, the strips. So we're going to start off. Got the first one on. Let me stop that. We got the first one, basically just stuck it through the hole and then slide it over through the big hole and slide it over to the smaller side of the hole, and it's on there, guys. I mean, I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna keep adding balloons. I want it to be nice and full like I normally do it. So I'm wondering if I should, I guess we'll see. Bring you guys down so you can see more. Let me see what it looks like if I rotate alternate sides and go through the same hole twice. Guys, we don't want this to look like a basic garland. We want this to be a designer garland. Oh yeah, I like that. All right, so this is 2 balloons in 1 strip. All right, guys, so this is how it looks right now. I got the balloons all on there. Not a fan. This process to get the balloons on the strips was a bit much for me. It could be because it's my first time, just as anything new. You know, it's always hard when you do something the first time, but I don't plan on doing this ever again. Just wanted to give it a try for you guys and see if I can turn a blah, you know, basic balloon garland kit into something designer. So that's the plan here. So I have my 5 inches. As you guys see, I blew those up earlier. I'm gonna get those placed on the garland, and then we're gonna get it hung. I left a few of my larger balloons out in case I needed to shape the balloon garland any better, but we'll see, guys, how this is gonna turn out. So yeah. So before I put these 260s on, y'all know this is something I normally don't do until I hang it. But I'm just gonna go for it with this. I'm trying to have it shaped. Pulling off. Y'all see how jacked up that is? I just want to make sure I have it shaped the way I want it so that once I go hang it, it's right. I'm going to hang this in Coda's room for her for the month of February, well, from now until February. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my clusters. This is gonna work right, guys. I probably have to set it in place and literally come around the whole garland for this to work. Yep, that's what I have to do. I don't like this at all. Now I see why they use glue dots. That's what I had to do to get that on there. And I still have a few left, so I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. I wonder if I should hang it first. Yeah, I don't like this.
You got no more chocolate.
One more, that's it.
One more, that it? More.
So when you're doing these on here, you have to be a lot more gentle because it'll pop off the darn string. So I'm gonna tie. Probably would have been best to do all of them like this. I'm gonna tie it in a knot. Which makes a hole, and I'm gonna tie it around the balloon. This is probably the best way to, if you wanna do your clusters this way. And then that way all I have to do is wrap it around one. Yeah, I should have did all of them like that. One more. Tie another knot. Alright, so we learned something for you guys on this. If you don't want to have to use glue dots and you want to get these, use 260s. I got a bag of 260s, $24.50. I shared it on my Instagram page, so if you're not following me there, you missed that little tidbit. So definitely check out Walmart.
You are me.
And I have some more pink ones left that I can add. Lost one again. I'm just gonna put it on here. Actually, it'll still do its purpose of filling a gap. I'm going to tie a knot. I'll put it down here around this one, so let's see. Perfect. All right, guys, so. Alright, guys, so this is as good as I was able to get the clusters on. It's not my best work. I don't really like how it looks, but it's not bad. Like if this was for a DIY party, just keep note of the way that I put the clusters on as I learned to just do each cluster individually on a 260 and then loop it around a balloon. That keeps the tension off and keeps the balloons that you actually put on here from popping off. But so far so good. I love the colors. I'm gonna go ahead and get it hung up in Coda's room. And this is how it looks after being hung up, guys. I have it over here in Dakota's little reading nook. I'm gonna leave it up here for the month since it matches with her little decor. I'm not super happy, but if I was to see this vlog and a DIY mom did this, I would say, oh, she really, you know, she killed it. It looks a lot better than some of the ones that I have seen. So hopefully this can inspire some DIY moms or even ballooners to maybe look at these strips in a different way and not just, you know, make it so gappy. I tried my best to get it as full and clusterful as I could, but the clusters won't really stay good on the strip. So if you give this a try, just make sure you do it in the second way that I showed you guys as I was putting this together, just one cluster per 260. But it's not bad for just a little cute DIY. It was a lot more effort than my balloon garlands, but again, it was my first time, so if I did this again, it probably would go a lot faster, but I don't have any plans on doing that. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one.